Welcome to the tutorial Efficient Design of Multimedia Experiments with the SMI Composite Editor. In this video, I'll show you how to combine multiple image and text elements into a single stimulus. The SMI Composite Editor is a feature of the SMI Experiment Center, designed to assist researchers with the study of the interactions between various media elements. You can add an unlimited number of images or text elements, as well as one video, in a single composite stimulus. Let's first build a composite stimulus with multiple images. To start, I'll enter the Composite Editor. When the editor opens, I'll click the image icon and navigate to a folder of images. I'll select them all and choose Open. All image formats, including JPEG, GIF, and PNG, also called PNG, are supported. To quickly display all the elements in the stimuli, click Auto Layout. Once the images are rescaled and placed, I'll use the Ctrl-A keyboard shortcut to select them all and drag an edge to resize them all simultaneously. I'll click Apply to create the new composite stimulus. Next, let's create a composite stimulus with both a text and graphic element. Again, I'll click the Composite Editor icon. Once the editor opens, I'll add a single image. The image is automatically positioned at the center of the preview screen. Now, let's add a text element. You can type in the text field or paste your content from Microsoft Word or a rich text file. When you've added and formatted your text, click OK. As you see, the text is also automatically positioned at the center. Click Auto Layout to automatically place the elements on the screen relative to each other. You can also move an element to a new location or adjust its size by dragging an edge. Areas of interest, or AOIs, are automatically created for each element in a composite stimulus. Modify the names of any inserted element to increase data readability during analysis. Once I click Apply, the new composite stimulus is added to the list. The default name of the composite stimulus can, of course, be customized. Updates to your composite stimulus can be made at any time. For example, let's say I wanted to add some padding to the image AOI. All I need do is double-click the composite stimulus to reopen it for editing, and then select the image. Now I'll add 10 pixels of padding around the graphic so we can be sure to catch any gaze of the image. Turn on Preview AOI padding so you can see what's happening. Red line surrounding the image delineates the area of interest. When I increase the AOI padding, the red border expands, indicating that the image AOI has increased and making gazes to the graphic easier to capture. I'll store my updates, and now we can save the experiment and we're ready to record data. After the experiment has been run and reactions of the various participants recorded, you'll be able to analyze the results in another component of Experiment Suite 3.5, BGaze. AOIs automatically created in the Composite Editor are easily analyzed in BGaze. Here, in BGaze's AOI editor, you can again see and modify the AOIs, including the custom padding. If you have the SMI reading module, you'll also be able to analyze the text by paragraph, sentence, word, or even character. BGaze now includes a new feature called Proportion of Looks, which will help you visualize and analyze the gaze hits of AOIs across stimuli and participants over time. Cover this new feature in a separate video. As you've seen in this video, Experiment Center's new ability to create composite stimuli helps to efficiently design complex experimental scenes.